Hello friends and fans, this is Z from Sain Official. Welcome back to another video. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to like, subscribe and share our channel. So today's video is a new thing for the people who like to design their own user interface on their laptop. So I am introducing a new software that you can use on your computer, from which you can make your desktop the way you like. You can also add widgets and everything like that. So what we have to go to the browser and search screen styler, and here is the website, the number one. Click screenstyler.com. From here you have to download the latest beta version. You can choose your operating system too, but this is for the Windows, so just clicking download beta, it will take you to the mega website. From here you can just click download and it will start downloading. It will take some time regarding the setup download. It depends upon the internet connection you are using. As I have already downloaded it, I will stop it and I will start the installation. Okay, as I have downloaded this one, and now I'm starting the setup. So let's click next. Just click Rocket Dock. You can uncheck it too, the way you like, and just I'm unchecking it. Mostly it is for the Apple iOS. You can see that optional Rocket Dock is a lightweight macOS dock-like application launched for Windows developed by Punk Labs, and they strongly recommend it, but I'm not using it. Just click install because I'm not using any macOS. It will take some time for installation. Okay, this software requires rain meter, which you don't have. Would you like to install it? Sure. Okay, it's starting now, so I can use a nickname. So we can write Sain Tech. Please match the requested format. Okay, we write Sain Tech together, and just write Sain Tech, and let's go. Already. Okay, so we have a lot of screens. So it is asking that which screen you want to use: Mac OS, iPad, iPhone X plus Max. We are not using these three, so we click the default one, and after that click here to begin. Okay, this is the first style. We also have example styles popular on web. We can download that one from the websites. Okay, I'm using the first one, that is the basic one. Okay, right. So from here we can adjust the widget location, and from settings we can change the mode. Okay, if we are using the light mode, it will be removed like this. Okay, and if you want to change the time or date, let's see how to change it. In the settings, the specific options, we can change the time, we can change the date format, we can change the temperature, we can change the location. Okay, let's click here. It will take you to the browser lightlong.net, and from here we can type the place I'm right now. So I can say I am in Multan, Pakistan, can put the longitude and latitude, so we can put the latitude and longitude there, right? Latitude and the longitude. Okay, done with it. Let's see what it's going to do here. Does we have to save this? Okay, we can also click the news provider. We have BBC, CNN, NYT, ALG. We can check the media player we are using. For the performance, we can select the PC type, Pentium 4 1 GB. So it is also working with Pentium 4 1 GB. It means this is a really universal app that most of the computers can use that. So I'm using the Core i7, not Ryzen 1, but I'm using the 8 GB RAM version. So let's see that. And what we have to do is we have to click save, and it's not changing the location, the widget, the feather. Well, that will be changed by you yourself if you want to, like. Okay, so if you're facing some issue like you are looking the two taskbars here, so what you can do is just go to the taskbar settings, and in the Windows taskbar settings you can just click automatically hide the taskbar in dark mode, and it will automatically hide that one, right? Now you can adjust your date and time the way you like, and along with that you can change the wallpapers, the one you like, the one you feel good, the one with whom your eyes are really satisfied, your mind don't get so much burden. Okay, you can change this widget, and we can also export the style we have made, right? And here is the Steam theme. You can also use the Steam skins. This is the dock setting. Okay, use the dock. We don't have dock right now, so we cannot use the dock. And okay, it is enabling it. Okay, we are using the dock. We can change the dock size. We can change the position of the dock, and dock style. Also position, we can also put the calculator, we can also put the custom icon, app icon, like we can also use like this. What are the widgets here? Okay, we can add the clock, we can add the date, time, we can add the icon we like, we can click the download mode, 3 dark mode, audio switcher. Okay, this is a really interesting app, and we can use that in the way we like, and it is saved locally, and this is the theme, and this is my customized desktop. Okay, it is asking me that do the skin installer. Okay, I will install it. It will take some time. This is the Rainmeter skin installer. It's taking some time. You can all customize this app the way you like. Like it is showing me the 2 clocks, so I can, remove this clock from here. Just click here, and okay, there is no resizing option. Yeah, it is having a resizing option. Okay, right. Okay, it is done. The main theme desktop is like that. You will be looking at how I'm going to change this one, because everybody was so confused that if I am customizing this desktop, then why isn't it working when I'm clicking on the widget? Actually, that was the screen styler and I was editing in that one. Now you can see the weather of the Multan. Okay, I can up down the volume, I can up down the brightness, I can right click and choose the time, I can go to the Steam engine, I can click the calculator. Okay, right. Now let us see what more things are available in that app. Okay, we reopen it again. It will take some time. My computer is slow these days. Okay. From here, we go again to the settings. That are the widgets. Okay, right. We right click here. Go to the settings. Okay, right. There's a startup. Rain meter widget. Okay, right. I want to remove the dock. That is not good. I want to do the dark mode. Okay, let's click the dark mode, and we can also select the high DPI display override. We can also, like I have a 16:9 aspect ratio. Okay, we can also do it to 21:9, but I'm using 16:9. Okay, right. 4:3 is like this. Auto is really good for you because mostly people does not know about the aspect ratio. It is using 16:9 these days, but auto is really good. It will automatically adjust that. Okay, what we can do if we compact the taskbar, okay, it will get small. Okay, we can change the date, we can change to Celsius because here we use the Celsius one. We can click the media player we like Spotify, and it's just saying that my RAM is too low. Well, I'm just making a video to make you know how to use it. Okay, we can also layered. I don't like this. Okay, these are the layered wallpapers. Customs are also available. We can also use the solid colors like this. We can also use the wallpapers in the list. We can also use more wallpapers. We can also download the ones. Okay, after that, when you do everything, when you customize your style labs, what you have to do is just save that one. I open it. When you will save that one, right? If I click export style, okay, it will make a starter skin file, right? I saved it, and let's see, it's gonna save like this. Okay, that was all from today's video. We hope you like our video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Press the bell icon for more notifications.